So sometimes they want us to write an equation of a line. Remember, when they want us to do that, we have to know the slope and a point, and then we can use point slope form, okay? All right, so it says write the equation of the line parallel to that line and passing through the point 3, 5. Okay, now I'm going to take that equation and I'm going to put it in slope-intercept form. So 3y equals negative 5x plus 1. Then I'm going to divide everything by 3. And I get y equals negative 5/3 x plus 1/3. Now, if I were to graph that line, and they don't ask us to do any graphing, I just want to point out what's going on. The intercept is 1/3. And then, oops, the intercept is 1/3. And then if you were to count down 5, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, a little more room, 5, and then over 3, it'd be like right there. And so there's a line, and you don't have to graph it this way. You could get a table of values, get some ordered pairs. But that is that line right there. Now what they're asking us to do is to find a line that's parallel to that line, but it goes through the point 3, 5. So where's the point 3, 5? Up here. So we want a line that's like parallel to that first line that I drew, but it goes through this point. I'm trying to find this equation, the equation of that orange line, okay? All right. So do I know the slope of the orange line? Yeah, it has to be the same as the slope of the black line because lines that are parallel have the same slope. And then do I know a point for the orange line? I do because they told me it's going to go through the point 3, 5. Okay, so now I pull out the point slope formula. There's the point slope formula. And this is going to be my x1 and y1. Okay, y minus 5 equals negative 5/3 x minus 3. They didn't tell me what form to put the equation in, but I'm going to put it in point slope form. So I'm distributing, and then I'm going to go ahead and add 5 to both sides. So I get the equation y equals negative 5/3 x plus 10. And you can see, well, does it look like this is going to go through, you know, on the y-axis at 10? Yeah, you know, my drawing's off a little bit, but looks like it's reasonable. Okay, so that's how we do that. We want to find the equation of a line parallel to another line. We're going to use the same slope, and then we use the point that they give us that our line has to go through. Okay.